Man, you know what sucks? Middle of summer. I've cut 3 yards today. Getting ready to go to the pool because it's hot. Your wife comes home and bam! Tire's flat. See this chunk of metal right here? It was like wedged right here in the side. I yanked that joker out and the air stopped coming out, thankfully, but it was just spewing out. It's almost to the ground. I cranked it up so it has 10 pounds of pressure. I pulled it up in the driveway just to get on a little level ground, and when it started rolling, you could just hear the air coming out. So I am going to change this tire, and if you're watching this, I bet you're in the same boat that I'm in. This is a 2019 Chevy Suburban, and I want to show you how to get the spare and put it on and take this one off. So I'm glad you're with me, because it would suck to do this by myself. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first thing we are going to do is open up the back. And I am just going to pull that out on the floor. Lift this up. And I got my tire iron in here. And if you ever wondered what this little square on the back is, right there, that's how you access the spare tire. Alright, if you look in right there, there is a little keyhole for your key, and we will take that little thing off. Do that right now. The key fits in there, comes out just like that. Alright, yeah. So the jack is in here. I actually have a jack, so I probably won't use this one. But I at least wanted to show you. Alright, so Scout. Alright, so you're going to take 2 of these rods right here and stick them together like that, and you're going to slide this all the way until you hear it lock. Okay. Alright, I thought I needed the jack to help lower it, but it's attached to a cable, so it's lowered. I'm going to show you a little trick though. Alright, so once you got it lowered here, take this piece, throw it in there, and then this part will come. Oh, booyah. It's kind of like one of those coffee table things where you like have to figure out a puzzle, but Yeah, I thought I was going to have to unscrew something. I was wrong. But that is how you do it. You know what? If I left it on the jack, I could have just rolled it out, pulled the jack out with it. But make sure that the jack is, we'll get the frame of the car. There we go. And before I start really lifting it up, I'm going to go ahead and loosen these bad boys right there. So, because if the wheel's spinning, it's kind of hard to loosen them, but if it's got some weight on it, it's a little bit easier. Alright, let's jack this bad boy up. Yeah. 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 Is that how that will go? I think that might be enough. Well, I'm starting to think I might need the jack that came with the car. Alright, I'm not going to use this. I mean, you know, if this, the jack that comes with it is all you got, this is great. But I'm just going to put a safety stand here. I should have did it up under the wheel and not at the frame. So I'm going to put a safety stand under it, move the jack, and then we will be back in business. You know, when you don't do something in a while, you kind of forget. So let's put the safety stand on here. Slowly loosen the jack. Alright, you got it. Alright, let's move to the back. Alright, that is much better. We are off the ground. We're going to take this off put the spare on. I'm taking this joker to a right field tire. All right. All right, now I'm gonna put the lug nuts on tight as I can, and then I'm gonna lower it and then tighten them up for good. Tighten one up and then another one comes loose. Again, I'm not trying to tighten them all up right now. Just want to get them tight as I can before I really lock them in place. You can see the wheel spins if I start to go too tight. It's like playing whack-a-mole, because every time you tighten one, another one is not tight anymore. All right, I'm about to let the jack down. I'm good and move. All right, got her sitting on all fours, and we are going to finish tightening these up. All right, dudes. Got it. We're in business. All right, I'm gonna take this tire to the shop. We're gonna call it a day. Hey, thanks for watching today. I hope you gained some value on changing your tire to your Chevy Suburban, and don't let it ruin your day. It's gonna be okay. All you gotta do is change it and go get it fixed. It's gonna cost you a little bit of money, but you know, it's part of life. All right. Well, my tire's fixed, so I'm about to go to the pool. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Help promote this video so we can help other people. I hope you learn from my mistakes, and see you in the next one. Peace.